Hello guys, today we're looking at the Q18 mini camera. Let's open it up. Okay, so here it is. Okay, it's shaped like a little cube. It's got these metal pieces that are used to connect to the top. These are made out of steel. It does use USB to connect. This is USB mini. Let's take a look at the camera itself. Here it is. There's the camera itself. There is the USB mini connection right there. Here's the back of it. This is where you would mount the camera. So you use these pieces here, metal pieces, and you can mount it to wherever you need. Or how you put it, it's up to you. Here's the top of it. This is how you turn it on. So you hold that, then it comes on. Reset all its functions right there. And to shut it off, you want to hold it for a few seconds. All right, so how do you record? You can record via the app. You want to connect the app, register, and you'll be able to control the camera via your phone. But you can also record with this camera. You can record to micro SD card. Let me show you where that's at right now. So you remove that. That's how you remove this tab camera itself. And when you do that, it reveals where you put your micro SD card. Now you can record videos to the micro SD card and it would start recording, and then you can just take this out, put it in your PC, and you'll be able to save your videos or edit your videos. It all depends on what you're attempting to capture. It does have night vision. We're gonna look at some examples. This is how small it is. So it's quite small. You can see it on my hand right there. It's very small, tiny little camera. It's compact. It's solidly built. Bracket. It's metal, and then it turns, so you can turn it that way, that way, that way, or that way. So you can sit it, little camera. Let's look at some examples. Okay, so this is the camera view. I'm recording audio as well. It's full HD. So here we go, recording full HD, and then we're gonna check back. I check the video back and see if it's truly fully HD. Let me lift it up a little bit. I brought out the red guitar just so you can see what it looks like, and I can shut off the lights just to see what it looks like. Video looks like in the dark with the night vision on. So let's shut off the lights. Turn on the night vision via the app. Okay, there's the night vision right there. So now it's been turned on. This is what you're getting, night vision. In UHD, I can see the IR lights in there. That's what illuminates. Get the video in night vision. And here's the camera. So let me turn on the light. How that works when this comes on. So night vision's still on, and then it turns back off, and now we're back to regular mode right here. Let's mess around with some of these. You can rotate the camera angle right here. Take a photograph. So let's take a photograph. That loud. So I'm doing this all via the app, by the way. Turn on voice, or you can hear the voice. You can hear it through the app. So you can actually listen to if somebody turn it off. You can listen to it via your phone. Now, I'm not sure how long the distance is, but yeah. So a few more features, a four-way view. You can actually set up, if you got four of these, you can have a setup going. Quadrants right there. Turn it off. And you got activity zones. You can actually make adjustments of which zones you want to record. So a little grid will show up with that. Yeah, so I'll add this video to the end of my review and let you know if it is 4K. Should be 4K. It tells me it is. It went back to full HD, but let me turn on the now full HD. It should be recording to the SD card. I'm gonna put the SD card into the computer. So we're gonna look at the file format and see how it goes from there. All right.